Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're doing the next prompt for Junk Journal July, which is opening. So yesterday we did botanical, and we did this one, and this spreads like this is the reason I made such a big spine for my journals. And you see how far this is keeping the page open. So today we're doing opening here, and I quite like how doing the wall on this side gave me this impression here. See, our page is very much lifted up. So I'm not going to go too mad on this one because we've done such a thick one yesterday, but I do really like this wall look, so I'm going to go over it with ink. You can see here some of the ink actually came through from this one. So we will go over it with ink and see how that looks. And I'm thinking of using one of these windows to make our opening. Not entirely sure exactly what I'm going to do. I just know I want to do those two things, and the rest will just go on vibes, see what happens. I do have this collection as well, which it says is Victorian. I have been trying to do a Regency kind of look, which you know, Victorian is a little bit earlier. It's not the same time, it's a bit more recent than the Regency, so it's not quite accurate, but I don't think even these are accurate to Victorian anyway exactly. I'll see. I'll have a look through everything and see what we can come up with. I'm just going to start creating. I'm going to use the same ink as I did yesterday, even though it came out a bit purpley, not quite what I wanted, but I think it's going to look different to this one because this had the white paste and then the gloss varnish over it, so I'm interested to see what it'll look like just on the brown paper. You can see where it bled through, it does look more browny. So we shall see. I love trying out new things in my journals, even if things don't work out exactly. This is a huge brush. Even if things don't turn out the way like I thought they would, I really like to have tried it out. Yeah, that is a much nicer brown. It's quite humid again today, so my glue is taking a while to dry. That noise is my cat playing with one of her toys. So this is taking so long to dry. I just used these little wooden pegs to raise up the image from the frame for no reason other than I have a lot of the pegs. And glue around it. And hopefully the paper won't wrinkle. I don't care all that much if it does, but I don't want it to. So, okay, let's put this down. Good. It looks really sideways on the viewfinder, but it looks right to me. Thinking of adding some more. I'm just going to trim these off a little bit, I think. Have them go up to frame it a bit more. So here is today's page for opening, which I really love. I absolutely love it. I love the open window, and I love seeing this lady in here writing at her desk. So there's our Jane Austen element. I love having the little green floral area underneath the window and the brick wall effect. Love it. Really happy with it. For some reason it looks kind of sideways on the viewfinder, but I swear it looks right to me. Oh, I don't know. But okay, there we are anyway for today's one. And so that's 2 3D pages there. So tomorrow we'll probably do a more flat one. Well, we'll definitely will, because if I do another 3D one, the pages might get stuck and they'll get messed up. So we'll do something a little bit more simple tomorrow for Thankful. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one.